times 2. Suit you. Looks nice. Well, this looks lovely. So guys, this is a Keith Titanium Canteen Set. I've been wanting one of these for ages, and actually also I'm very pleased that I've got this colour case, because the other one was a sort of a camo type effect and I wasn't really very keen on it, but the price was so good that I couldn't resist really. So the fact that they've actually sent me this one instead of the camo one is absolutely fantastic. So basically I'm absolutely delighted. So what have we got then? And straight away you can just tell that this is really, really light. And that's a big difference when you contrast it to some of the stainless steel bottles that are around, and certainly the ones which I have. Wait a minute, there we go. Wonderful. So 1.1 litres, 37.2 ounces. Let's say this is titanium. It's got a nice little rubber seal there, look, a little O-ring, gasket, whatever you want to call it. Sweet. And the lid as well is titanium. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting stuck in with this. Yeah, sweet. Yes, very, very strong. This looks really nice and comfortable, feels nice and comfortable. I like the way the handles have been engineered, look. So this one here rests against that, so you can just hold it nicely. Now I've got big hands and a 7 3/4 inch wrist, and I can get 3 fingers in there really easily. So yeah, that looks fantastic. So yeah, excellent stuff. Yes, I've been looking at these for some time now, and you know, sort of quite curious about them. So this has been on my wish list for quite some time, and over Christmas there was a remarkable bargain on these, so I decided to buy not just one but 2, and that fits in there lovely. That's really nifty, and it just sort of just pinches on that, it just sort of nips into place. Yeah, that looks really nice. Perfect fit. So this is a good quality piece of engineering, and certainly based on the reviews which I've read about the product, you know, this is absolutely spot on. As I say, I'm also delighted about this bag because it isn't some sort of, you know, garish camo effect. it's actually a very pleasant, you know, reasonably low profile affair. You've got these straps on the back here, look. Yes, I'm really pleased about this. In fact, I'm absolutely delighted. A nice carry strap there, look. Which can, yeah, it's a decent length actually. So yeah, to fit if it's 7 foot tall, that. Wonderful. So you've got a little pocket in the top there, look. So that slides in there. This is the other thing I like about the setup, the way the handles actually fold around the cup, because you know some of them, so for example the Pathfinder one, you know the actual handle it sort of folds under, and it's not quite as ergonomic as this, and it's more of a faff basically. So I think this is absolutely fantastic. So yeah, good stuff. So that goes in there. Got a little, some cord shot cord there, look, just to cinch up a bit. That looks lovely. I really like this. I'm so glad I got one. And I think the nature of this carry case lends itself to some modification as well. You know, if you want to sort of, you know, put something else on there. So yeah, this looks really nice. I'm sure I'm going to enjoy using this. So yeah. Boom, there we go, look. Yes, I can see myself definitely modding this case. Yeah, it looks lovely. In fact, as a matter of interest, I'm just going to have a look at the other one, because as I say, it was such a good buy, I decided to order 2 of these. I'm just wondering whether or not the carry case is the same actually. It'd be very nice if it is. Not that I can use 2 at the same time, however. Hey, yes it is. Wonderful. Well look, I'm not going to mess around with that because I've got plans for this. So I want it to be in pristine condition, and it's not what I'm going to use. Certainly as things stand at the moment anyway. So yeah, there we go, look. So what we got then? Yeah, so it's a Keith Titanium Canteen Set. These retail from anywhere between sort of like £140 and £150. So this is a quality item, very light, very durable, and I can't wait to use these and get stuck in. And now that the man cave has been completed, I just need to sort of like find time or make time just to sort of like get out there and start doing some hiking and yeah, doing some camping, some overnight stuff. And I'll be testing out some of the new gear which I've unboxed in this video. Thank you for watching. Actually, just before I go guys, something which was on my mind which I thought I'd show you. I was wondering whether you could actually, because I've got 2 of these sets basically, whether or not the cup, the second cup, would sit on top of this canteen. So it does actually go on there quite nicely. It's not a perfect fix, it's not meant to do that, but look, you know, if you're fortunate enough to be able to have 2 of these kits, that nests in there pretty well. So basically you could have something for drinking and something for cooking, you know, and you know, keep them nice and clean, etc. Last thing you know you want is a nice cup of tea or coffee, you know, tasting of the curry you've had in it a few hours before. So that does go on there like that, look. And yeah, I mean, it doesn't clunk around, anything like that. It's, I think, a very good fit, and it's something which, you know, 8 woods, it's something which will be very, very compact. Yeah, I think that's brilliant, lot, if you decided to go that way. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. Boom.